find Captain JR. It's Captain JR again.
And by the way, quackle in English is cook.
Guys, let's try to spell it. So, quackle.
Oh my god, guys. We turned into real chefs. Look, we have a hat and an apron. Oh, guys, there's a no. We have another no.
So, I'm going to read it. It says, step 1, mix and color. Mix and color. Guys, there's flour and water. I bet we have to take them all and put them in this bowl right here.
And mix them up with these little mixers.
They're called stew. Put the flour. It's not flour.
And we should make it bigger than this. And look, all of it, Daddy. Perfectly clean. Now let's put the water.
And how do you say water in Italian?
Aqua. Wait, Robert, wait. That was a lot of it. Smells like dough.
Just got a bunch of flour, some water. Look, let's see how quickly Jacob can go. And then it's Robert's turn, okay? No, okay.
That was super quick.
Yes.
I can do that, my turn. See that?
So your hand is clean, but how do you say hand in Italian?
Mano.
Yeah, I think it's done. Thinking about you guys pouring that mix into the bottles is the scariest thing I can think of.
It looks like blood.
Looks like blood. Blood in Italian, guys, is sangue. Oh.
It's so hard.
Yellow?
Yes, orange.
It's yellow. I think it's yellow too.
Guys.
And how do you say yellow in
I used
Italian?
the whole bottle.
Giallo, and you use the whole bottle of red?
Yes. It's like, I'm gonna say green. Like,
Green is in Italian.
guys, this is
Verde,
the
yes.
kind of green.
A throw kind of green.
Yes. It looks like black, guys.
So it is really looking like draw.
No.
Hopefully we don't have to eat it.
No, I'll show you.
Oh no, now we're never gonna be able to wash it off. You're going to be yellow forever. They are gonna call you il bambino giallo, the yellow kid.
He looks like he loves blue. Guys, I'm gonna use pink.
He has so much
I'm
blue
gonna
on.
use pink.
How do you say pink in Italian? Rosa.
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 I'm gonna use this. Yellow, green.
Okay. Guys, I told you spoon.
So, how do you say spoon in Italian?
Cucchiaio.
Yeah, we'll never forget that.
Look how much Robin has. Look how much I have.
Let's. Don't see it again. Oh my god, what a mess!
Papa, you're so silly. What? We could clean up everything with our wand.
Oh my god, you're right. Why did I waste all my time? You look so silly with your head, Jacob. Oh my god, your chef head. You look like a pro chef. No, not anymore. Okay, guys. So you're running down low on butter. Now that you gave me the idea of the ones, I think that.
Guys, look.
Okay, so are we done cooking here?
Oh no.
So why don't you duplicate the butter with your wands?
Okay, duplicate! Oh my god, it worked!
Okay, let's keep going. You have to fill up so many bottles,
Well,
guys.
guys, I have an idea. We could dump it. We could use our spoon and protect from the side, and then we only let the tip go inside.
Try it out. This is the new technique not to make a mess. I'm all in. How much food are we making, guys?
I don't know.
Oh my god, which kind of food is gonna be colorful?
It's gonna be edible?
I hope so. You put so much food coloring that not sure about that.
Guys, we're running out of mix.
Well, I think you have right enough so that you don't have to waste your magic again for nothing. Let's close the last bottle.
Where's the
Uh-oh.
top?
I found it.
Yay!
You guys don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.
Guys, let's make our hands clean.
Who needs you?
Oh my god, what is this?
Guys, we have a note. Look,
It says step 2.
no, cook art.
So what is this going to be?
This is definitely going to be
A pancake challenge.
It's going to be a pancake art challenge.
yeah.
And how do you say art in Italian?
I did it. I did it.
Arte, arte, arte. We are going to have a challenge.
So let's see who can make
go.
the best pancake.
Oh my god, they are making massive pancake. Do you know how big pancakes are usually, guys? You are making, oh, look at that. Let's see from this side.
I need yellow. Which one's yellow? This one. This one. Okay, I'll take this.
Whoa, look at the smiley
Let's have
face.
some yellow.
Oh, you're making a sun? I think that you are a little bit missing the point of how this works.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, you know
I
that this stuff is cooking on this griddle, right?
Yeah, I know.
So then you're gonna take it off and replicate whatever you're doing. I think that you should. Oh, do you have a spatula or something?
Well, I could do
Oh
this.
yes, Captain JR made everything appear.
I could do this.
Not only clean up.
Like that.
Yes.
Like the blue sky.
Yes. Do you understand that everything is cooking?
Yeah.
Okay. As long as you are aware of it, that if you burn it, you lose. Look at that. Jacob is such an artist. Oh, now Robert at the sky. Look, you have brushes. Maybe you can paint the sky.
Wait, I think I should like.
I think this is going to be a nice pancake drawing, but tasting wise, it's like pancake disaster. The sky should be, it's like very...
That's a cloud.
That's a cloud, a brown cloud. I think we are done now, guys. Let's wait until they are done cooking.
Okay.
We need to flip our pancakes soon, unless we want to burn everything. Robert is doing it. You see, it's coming off. Wow, I'm impressed. So you want to take it off slowly and then recreate.
That's the grass.
It's a grass.
And guys, I'm going to try it.
Is it good?
It's awesome. My son is ready.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is amazing. I thought it would be impossible to get it off. Be careful, Robert. You're gonna break the
This
shape.
is ready.
This is ready.
Look.
Well, the pieces are there. What about yours?
I'm
Oh, look at the sun. Sun is still attached.
Yeah.
Look.
Wait, it's
so
actually
cool.
it's actually soft as pancake. Feel it.
Ooh.
It's really hot too.
Mm. It is pancake. It tastes exactly like pancake. What are you
Tastes
talking?
like dough.
I think that the winner at the end is going to be Jacob because you're the only one. You are just eating. Yeah, that's so cool.
I made only the sky.
Only the sky.
Turn them off.
Okay, then it was dough. It's not pancake.
Turn them off.
So we're gonna turn them on again. You're gonna go for another pancake.
I opened edible. I need brown Robert. Yeah, you're using it.
I think that you have to make
I
sure.
need a little bit of brown.
You have to make sure that you attach it all together.
Yeah.
Okay.
So green is a Christmas color.
I like how you're taking your art challenge. You're making first pancake.
This is gonna look better than that. Look how good this looks.
Yeah, this looks so much better. Robert's, on the other hand, it looks like
A brown pancake.
brown pancake.
Oh, now I need.
Oh, but now he's gonna draw on it. Oh, wow!
What?
Are you gonna write Robert on it? That would be so cool.
And I'm done.
You're done. I am
Yes,
going to wait
I
until it's...
am done.
There's a little bit of flame like inside, like here, of the blueberry. And then some bananas.
Oh, you're making it look like a real pancake, even though it is a real pancake, I think.
I think.
So this is, so you made a pancake with blueberries, bananas. How do you say blueberry in Italian?
Mirtilli.
Mirtilli, yes. And how do you say strawberry in Italian?
Fragola.
Banana.
Banana.
Banana is banana. Banana is banana.
There, look. I
Look.
made my name.
Are you cleaning your hands around the house? Closer, and then you can just push it down there. Yes! You like what you did? Did you like cooking today?
Yeah.
You like your pancakes?
Yeah.
And what do you think? Whoa.
Me, I think.
What do you think, Jacob?
I didn't win the first round of Wowzer, and I won the second round.
Do you think so? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see what
The
people.
hat come off.
Oh, the hat come off.
I'm just gonna try it.
You can try it. How is it? Yummy?
Guys, see you next week. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.